So today I'm gonna be showing you this seamless stitch, which is called the GRAFT stitch. This stitch is normally used for seaming panels of your knitting machine together. And for this specific one, both knitting stitches have to be facing the same way, as you can see here. So for this specific stitch as well, you have to have the same number of stitches on both panels, okay? In this situation here, because I'm making a long cardigan and I'm joining the shoulders together, I'm gonna actually have some neck cut stitches left here, because I'm gonna have the ribbing of the neck around this area here, so I had more stitches on this panel than this one. But you will normally have most of the time the same amount if you're joining anything else other than a sweater. So let's get started. I'm gonna place another panel here because, as I said, this is a long cardigan. Then with a tapestry needle, I prefer the metal ones because they slide through easier. We're gonna start seaming the shoulders. So if you're starting from this side, and you can make a knot with another yarn if you don't have a tail left from your panels. You just attach with a knot, and then whatever side you attach the knot to, you're gonna work first on the other side, okay? So we're gonna put through 2 loops each time, okay? And it's gonna be this one loop going down and the next loop going up. So you form the same shape of the next stitch. So once you put through both loops in one side, you're gonna put through and this one to form the same V shape you have underneath. And so this is what you're gonna do from one to another, and you can remove this waste yarn as you go as well, so it's not on the way. So the next one, it's gonna be this one that I already have one side of the loop coming from, and the next loop. So I'm gonna be always using 2 stitches in every single seamless stitch that I'm making here. Here, and then to the next one, which is this one that I made before, and then the next stitch, like this. Once you're getting used to this, is actually easy to spot, and then it gets just easier and easier. And then onto the next side. Try not to go through your waste yarn because it will be hard to remove after. And then here. So this is how it's looking like now. I'll show you the other side. I'm going to be repeating that all the way until I finish the stitches on the smaller panel. And always make sure you use a contrasting color on the waste yarn rows, because otherwise, as you can see, it's gonna be really hard to see your stitches. So if you like this content, make sure you like and subscribe to my channel. I always every week I make new content about circular knitting machine, and I hope you enjoy your day. Thank you for watching. I see you on the next week.